Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, but not just with self-driving cars or smart assistants. Behind the scenes, AI is being weaponized. Project MAVEN, launched by the Department of Defense, marked a turning point. Its mission used AI to sift through endless drone footage, identifying vehicles, buildings, even people, faster than any human could. Officially, MAVEN was just an aid for analysts. But it was clear, this was about making targeting more efficient, automating the hunt. The AI didn't pull the trigger, but it aimed the weapon, accelerating the kill chain, reducing human oversight. For centuries, war was a human affair. MAVEN introduced a non-human intelligence to the battlefield. This wasn't a smarter bomb. It was a tool to interpret and act on the chaos of war. The promise, precision, fewer mistakes saved lives. The risk war at machine speed with accountability fading. Project MAVEN was a glimpse into a future where life and death decisions could be made by code. The moral weight of war, once shouldered by people, now risked being outsourced to algorithms. The question, are we ready for machines to decide who lives and who dies? Project MAVEN's development wasn't confined to military labs, it reached Silicon Valley and Google. When Google employees learned their work was powering military drones, outrage erupted. Thousands signed petitions demanding Google step away from building AI for warfare. These weren't just coders, they understood the risks, biased data, mistaken identities, and the potential for civilian harm. Their protest forced a rare public debate about tech's role in war. Google ultimately withdrew from MAVEN and pledged not to build AI for weapons. But the Pentagon simply moved on to other contractors. The genie was out of the bottle, the technology and knowledge couldn't be contained. The protest revealed a crucial truth. The ethics of AI in warfare isn't just for generals, it's for everyone shaping these tools. The debate over AI's role in conflict is now a public responsibility. The future of war is being written in code and the world is watching. Project MAVEN was just the beginning. Most military AI research happens in secret, funded by black budgets. While the world debated MAVEN, more advanced, autonomous systems were likely being built out of sight. The US, China, and Russia are locked in a high-stakes AI arms race, each fearing the other will gain an edge. In China, tech companies and the military are closely linked. In Russia, leaders openly chase AI dominance. Unlike the nuclear arms race, there are no treaties or rules for AI weapons, no way to count or control algorithms. This lack of oversight creates a dangerous rush to deploy technology we barely understand. Advanced AI could already be analyzing global data, predicting threats, or even selecting targets without public knowledge. The secrecy means we don't know what lines have been crossed. The ethical debate lags behind the reality of AI deployment. We're arguing about the morality of a technology that may already be shaping the battlefield. The true scope of AI warfare remains hidden, operating in the shadows. The dangers of military AI extend beyond war zones. They threaten civil liberties everywhere. The same algorithms used to find enemies could be used to monitor citizens, suppress dissent, or predict protests. AI could become the ultimate tool of surveillance and control, far beyond anything imagined in dystopian fiction. These systems operate at speeds and scales beyond human control, risking catastrophic mistakes or escalation. Autonomous AIs could make decisions in milliseconds, with consequences no one can predict or stop. The risk isn't just misuse, it's losing control entirely, as AI pursues goals in ways we never intended. A system designed for war could cause massive civilian harm, all in the name of efficiency. The time for debate is now, before catastrophe strikes. We need transparency, accountability, and global rules for AI in warfare. The future of conflict, freedom, and society itself is at stake. We must decide together, before algorithms make the choice for us.
This was Beyond the Shadows. If you found yourself questioning the official version of history, subscribe. Share your theory in the comments, and remember, the truth is never where they say it is.